to make the last card with you. My desk's a mess, but that's the sign of a good crafty session. I've still got all these flowers left. Look at all those. And I'm going to make a little simple card, which you can just throw together when you've got all your bits done. And I'm going to make one similar to this one. And what I've done is I've just used whichever flowers I'd got sort of left. And I've added some paper that I've got left. I've got another couple of ideas for you. This one's a little bit more of a freestyle one, to give you some ideas. These are just 3 different sort of designs you could do using the papers that you've got left. So you could do some with paper down there and a gathering of flowers, and you could use another one of those. Labels, you could do one the other way. So you could have your card going that way, like that. And you could keep them all to like the white and one other colour and then the green. Or you could do this one where I stamp straight onto the card base, and then I've done just a plethora of flowers. So the only colour I have got left, oh actually, I've got some saffron, so I think I'll do that. Yeah, I'm going to cover sort of about half of the paper. So you want to cut your paper to 10.5 centimetres wide if you're doing it this way. Okay, and it's going to go like that. Yep. But what I might do first is do my stamping in the top right hand corner. If you hear my computer, I'm just actually, as I'm filming this one, it's like a TV studio in here. I'm just uploading the other couple of videos that I've filmed to my channel. So I'm going to stamp this in the top corner like that. Okay, pleased with that. All right. Now, this goes here, but what you can do is if you want to, you can cut like a curve, or you could just have it, is that the right way or is it that? Yeah, you could just have it flat, or you could do it on a curve. Do you know what? I think I might do this one flat, but that's a little bit tall. So I think I'm just going to trim a little bit more off. Make sure when you're trimming it, you've got it in the right way. So that's the correct width. Yep, so I'm just going to trim a little bit off. And I'm going to pop it there on my, you could do it in a curve, so your flowers go on a curve. I'm going to do this one straight. The other one I did on a curve, but you couldn't really see. And the flowers, well, you can a bit, I suppose. The flowers sort of followed the curve around. But I'm trying to help my ladies and my customers come up with their own designs as well. So this one is like a challenge freestyle one. So it'd be lovely to see what you do. My paper's just hanging over the edge a little bit there. So let's trim that down. My first video's uploaded 70%, so that's good. I like to get them uploaded while I'm here because the Wi-Fi speed's a lot faster. And then all I'm going to do now is simply pop some different flowers. Now, the first thing to do is have a look at what leaves you've got left. Yeah, I've still got 2 of those big ones left, which is good. In fact, I've got more. I think I've only used one of those. Got quite a few left. I've got plenty left, I think. Got loads of flowers left, haven't we? Look at them, my goodness. Okay, so you could just go for a, you know, like a monochrome sort of pattern, if you wanted to, and just do white ones and saffron ones. See what that looks like. Could be nice, couldn't it? Let's see what we can fit on here. Quite like that going across, and I quite like it being just but I'm wondering if those four are a bit big. I'm wondering if a smaller one might be nice. Anyway, in fact, yeah, this is where I start overthinking. Oh, yes. I think I've decided I'm going to do all the daisy ones because they're my faves. Those can go back in there. You know, do you know what? It actually will look nice even without any leaves. Oh, hang on. I hope I'm still filming because I had a low battery message and I don't know how long I had it. So anyway, if you missed all that, and I can't tell because I don't want to stop my filming, so I deliberated a bit which flowers to have, and I'm going to go for my favourites, these daisy style ones, and I'm not even sure if I want any leaves. I'm going to have a look and decide. Yeah, I think I will. I think I will, but I'm not going to go mad, I don't think. Probably have one down there. Maybe a little one there. I like to do the leaf in between the petals. And then you could even have one sort of hanging off. Right, so that looks a mess, but let's find... oh, I really do hope that that filmed okay. I'm paranoid now. Anyway, let's hope so. You can see what I'm doing now. I won't even know it unless I watch it all back as well myself. And I'm just going to find... You may need to cut, if you're doing this, another little white one. I've just had to find... Oh no, there was one in there. I could do with a large one. I think I might not have enough. Let me go to my secondary pile. Yep. So I'm just going to do that, I think. Well, not just leave it like that, but yeah. So how do we work with that? Well, let's take one off at a time and let's glue down. You can have the leaf going off a little bit and it will still fit in an envelope. I'm going to pop that there. Probably best moving these off, Jules. And probably best doing the outside ones first. Oh, I'm glad I've stuck to the, just to two, the white and the yellow. I'm glad I've done that. I think it looks nice. Again, you can have your flower hanging over a bit because you should have enough room in your envelope, but not too much. So it might be best moving that leaf in a little bit. Okay, so we'll pop that, will go there. Can go there, and I might have that tucked under there, a bit like that. Yeah. Now, some of these leaves actually might be a little bit long. So I'm going to snip the base off that and tuck it under there. Like that. Oops. I think a bit of glue came off, so I'm just... This would be like a 10-minute card if it didn't take you as long as I did to decide what to do. But because we've cut everything, the beauty of it is you could make one of these for someone in 10-15 minutes, couldn't you? Yes, we could. I think I'll just have the one that's going to tuck under there, I think, and under there. It may need that there. Yeah, I think it does. Let's... I don't know if it needs this big... Look, I overthink things as much as anyone else. I don't know if it needs that big one, so let's... I really don't know which to use. No, I don't like that. I'm going to go with that one. Yeah, so let's glue this in. Like that. And let's get this little white one tucked over it, like that. And then pop this in between those two petals, like so. Ho, ho. Well, we've done 13 minutes of crafting, 15 if you include the 2-minute countdown premiere thing. But that is a quick card, and I hope that the video worked. And that it didn't pause, and no doubt I'll be able to see on Saturday, because I don't know if I'm going to have the time to watch everything back. So let me just clear my bits away and we'll have a look at what we've made. So here's our first one. Well, that one's the one with the spots, yeah? And then card number 2 on screen. And card number 3, oh, just on screen there. So this one will always be my favourite, but I'm liking how I've just kept the colours there to the 2 colours. I like how that's worked and how that's come about. And look, these are all of the ones that I've got left from the prep work that we did, yeah. So I've still got loads left. So I'm sure if you've got some white card, and you should have lots of papers left too, then you can carry on making some more with the beautiful pierced blooms dies. And as I mentioned earlier, if you haven't got the products and you want to get your hands on them, then do please get in touch with me, and the links will be in my description. So to my lovely ladies who've taken part, thank you for your custom. Thank you for purchasing the class, and I will look forward to seeing what you've made. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.